Also, Safelite Auto Glass. Some of you may have seen the Safelite commercials that are on TV all the time. Safelite will provide national glass repair and replacement, ADAS recalibrations, advanced driver assistance safety systems. Those are those lane departure warnings, those cameras on the windshields, the adaptive cruise control, the emergency braking systems. Those cameras have to be recalibrated, and Safelite can perform more than 95% of those recalibrations, saving time for the members to not have to go to expensive dealerships to have those ADAS recalibrations performed. So a good partner through Safelite Auto. A little bit about Safelite. Safelite, some people don't know, you can actually repair some rock chips in your vehicle as long as it's not greater than a quarter and in your line of vision. Safelite conducts more repairs than the industry. If you can repair your windshield, you will not have an out-of-pocket expense. The average repair cost is about $89 through Safelite versus the average replacement cost of $543. So obviously everybody would rather have their glass repaired when possible. Average replacement cost through Safelite, $543. Third-party shops, non-partner shops, average is about $742. So a very good opportunity, again, to negotiate those relationships with someone like Safelite to conduct the glass replacement. Using aftermarket glass whenever possible and still being able to perform those recalibrations. Safelite, again, can recalibrate 99% of the vehicles on the road today. The average cost of a recalibration through Safelite is $286. You can see the industry average is $372, and those numbers are going up. So again, good opportunities for Safelite to conduct the repairs and to get very high net promoter score as well. Just a picture of a gentleman there replacing windshield. You can see he's using the suction cups and those arms to install that windshield. So again, an individual can do that windshield install oftentimes at your place of business or residence, or if it needs a recalibration at a Safelite brick and mortar location.